Once your Elecbrakes brake controller is installed, it's time to set up the Elecbrakes app. To begin, tap your phone on the Elecbrakes logo on the brake controller. This will open the App Store or Google Play to download the app. Once downloaded, add your brake controller by tapping your phone on the logo again or by adding it manually. If this is your first time pairing this brake controller, the app will guide you through the onboarding process. You can go back to the onboarding process by going to the Settings tab and tapping Onboarding, or keep watching and we'll walk you through it. Before we continue, jump in your vehicle and turn the ignition on, keeping the vehicle in park or neutral. If you're using an EB2 brake controller, ensure your headlights are switched on. Let's check your connection. Navigate to the home screen of the Elecbrakes app. The blue inactive override icon indicates that the brake controller is connected and ready to tow. Next, put your foot on the brake pedal. If the home screen's central icon is now red, it means the brakes are active. The central icon turns red whenever braking occurs, including during a sway event, normal braking, or when using manual override. If this is the first time using your brake controller, or if you've recently changed its mounting position, you'll need to calibrate the forward direction. Take a short drive and apply the brakes a few times to set the forward direction. Calibration usually sets after 1 to 3 braking events, and the app will notify you once it is calibrated. The forward direction will continue to refine while you drive and become more accurate over time. To confirm calibration, stop the vehicle. On the app, tap Data, then scroll to the accelerometer section. You'll see the angle shown in degrees. If it still displays auto, calibration hasn't occurred yet. If so, repeat the short drive and braking steps. Now the calibration is complete. Let's fine-tune your settings. Minimum brake response sets the minimum amount of braking that your trailer will apply when you press the brake pedal, regardless of how hard or soft you are braking. Select minimum. If this is your first time adjusting it, the setting will be at 10%. Drive forward slowly at about 20 km per hour and press the brakes very lightly. If the trailer feels jumpy or pulls back sharply, decrease the value. If you can't feel the trailer slowing you down, increase the value. Experiment with small changes until you feel smooth, synchronous braking. Tap back to confirm. The forward braking response determines how aggressively the trailer brakes engage in proportion to your deceleration. To set the forward response, brake normally over a variety of conditions and make small adjustments as needed. If the trailer feels like it's pulling you back, decrease the setting. If the trailer isn't helping you slow down, increase the setting. The ideal setting is when the tow vehicle and trailer brake feel like they are braking together. Tap back to confirm. Now let's set the reverse. Select reverse, then slowly reverse your vehicle and apply the brakes. Increase the setting if the trailer pulls back, decrease it if the trailer pushes forward. The optimal reverse setting is when the tow vehicle and trailer brake as one. Experiment with small changes until you are happy with the feel of the response. The reverse response is less critical for everyday towing, but can be helpful for electric over hydraulic brakes, heavy trailers, or reversing down steep hills. Tap back to confirm. Override allows you to manually apply the trailer brakes without activating the vehicle's brakes. This can be used to manually mitigate trailer sway. Select Override. We recommend matching your override to your forward response. Matching override to forward response ensures that when you manually apply the trailer brakes, they respond with similar intensity and speed as they would during normal braking. This keeps braking smooth and predictable, whether using the vehicle's brakes or the manual override. You can adjust override separately if you need more control in situations like sway correction or low-speed maneuvering. This flexibility ensures safer and more adaptable braking. You can turn SwayControl on or off for each program. Open Settings and select the program you want to adjust. Scroll to the SwayControl section and toggle it on or off as needed. To adjust the sensitivity level, tap the orange SwayControl icon. You can adjust the slider from the home screen or within a specific program to set how responsive the system is, from low to high. If SwayControl feels overactive, check that the brake controller is installed in the recommended position, ideally within 1 metre of the tow ball. The Elecbrakes app allows you to configure up to 5 programs to suit your towing setup. Tap Settings and select the program you want to modify. From here you can name the program, adjust the minimum, forward, reverse and override settings. You can also turn SwayControl on or off and adjust the sway sensitivity level. For quick access to minimum and forward settings on the selected program, swipe right to left from the home screen. To switch between your 5 custom programs, swipe left to right from the home screen to view your list, then simply select the program you want to use. Adjust the settings in each program based on your different towing scenarios and name them for easy reference. The ideal setup is when you can no longer feel the trailer pushing or pulling while braking. Once you've set minimum, forward, reverse and override levels, your braking should feel smooth and balanced, making it comfortable to use the same settings for both freeway and suburban, and even off-road driving without needing further adjustments. If you change trailers, vehicles, load weight or terrain, you can simply switch to one of your other customized programs based on the towing conditions.